What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today we're checking out minimal cases for the OnePlus 7 Pro. So I've been using the actual bumper case or slim protective case from OnePlus. This is their carbon series. I have a video here which you can check out. Like this case, but let's see what minimal offers for the OnePlus 7 Pro. That'll be interesting how it really kind of complements the OnePlus 7 Pro design. So plain boxing, so we have the frosted black and the frosted white option. So we have the white here first, and it'll be quite cool to kind of see how the blue and the white really kind of go together. So you get the case, minimal packaging. Want to wipe down your phone before getting the case installed. And super light and super thin, as you would expect from the name of the brand. So we're going to go ahead and put this in. This was actually, it just slides right into the case. And yeah, so first things first, you can definitely still see the color of your phone through the back. So now it's kind of a not as vibrant blue, but you can still see the blue coloring on the back. You do get a little bit of a camera bump here around the camera and around the flashlight there, so at least your camera is protected. Up top, you do have your camera, front-facing camera pop out. On the side, your volume buttons. On the bottom, your speaker, USB-C port, mic holes. And then on the right side, you do have that slider, alert slider switch, and your power button. So a few things to note, just first impressions here, is that these sides for the case kind of are a little bit, how would I say this? I wouldn't say sharp, but they are kind of abrupt in terms of the screen and the phone. So there is kind of like this very hard edge right here where the plastic ends, and you can really feel that hard edge kind of against your palm and your thumb depending on how you're swiping in. Secondly is that it is a little bit tough to find this power button. You can feel just a slight difference in texture from the smoothness of the aluminum versus the matte plastic. The alert slider is fine and easy to use because it is textured. And then over here, the volume button, again, same as the power, it is slightly difficult to find because it does not protrude whatsoever. So it sits completely flush with the case. So that's unfortunate. I'd have liked to see them maybe in the future implement just a built-in plastic where the buttons are. So that way you can actually feel a little kind of raised portion from the plastic case over these buttons, so that way it's more easier to find. So let's go ahead and actually take a look at the front-facing camera so we can see this real quick. And there we go. So it opens perfectly fine. There's no doesn't inhibit the camera in any sort of way. So that's good. So that is the frosted white. I'll leave the links down in the description where you can pick these up for about 24 bucks. So again, this is the frosted white. This is not going to offer any sort of drop protection. It is just clearly scratch protection and more just kind of like an aesthetic complement to your phone's design. And they do make these cases for other devices. You can check out my various videos for like the Pixel, for example, also the Note 10 as well. So just like previous fashion, it slides on just like that. And there is the frosted black. So you can just get a slight hint of that blue sheen coming through with light hitting it just properly. So yeah, so the blue you can kind of see just vaguely. So it is kind of tough in terms of like uncomfortable feeling when you're swiping in from the side because of the rounded screen of the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now if let's say there's really no other way they could have gotten around this. There's no sort of screen protection. It pretty much lines perfectly up with the front of the screen. I am using the built-in plastic screen protector from OnePlus, so there's no tempered glass or anything like this. So bear that in mind. But yeah, so there's the black, and then we saw the white. So which colors do you like? They also offer other colors, blue, red. Again, all links down in the description. If you guys have any questions on the minimal case for the OnePlus 7 Pro, let me know down in the comments below. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.